Far more way to go. Going. Far more way to go. Everything good over there. Everything nice over there. That's the sweet sound of St. Lucia. That's right. We're picking up the Caribbean today because one of the Caribbean's most loved artists, born and bred in St. Lucia, but here in Trinidad and Tobago for the carnival season, I understand he knows Trinidad and Tobago more than he knows St. Lucia now, because he's spending more time here. That's the voice of Teddyson John, alongside Farmer Nappy.
How are you?
And I have Teddyson out of St. Lucia in the building.
You? Yes, I'm back.
You are back.
After a while.
Good to see
You
you.
understand? That's what, after COVID, we ain't seen each other for how long? Yeah,
Years,
feel
you know,
like
boy.
92 years.
Yeah, it
But
seems long, you know.
Yeah. Are we good?
Happy Merry Christmas.
A Happy New Year, everything.
Happy Carnival.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Same to you.
I'm so glad to see you. Every time you
Thank
come in the
you.
studio, every time I listen to your music,
Yeah.
I describe your music as feel-good music.
Thank you. Thank you.
You just feel good.
Thank you.
And this one also kind of have that kind of message as
Yes,
well. Everything
yeah,
good.
Everything good. I mean, it's a topic. It's like a lingo. You ask somebody how they doing. Everything good, you know.
You can't get more Caribbean.
You can't get more.
Yeah. Everything good enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's how
So
the song.
that's where it came from.
Simple like that.
It's our regular lingo. It's the regular conversation.
How the song was built after that. So everything good.
Everything good. It was actually written by Vaughn from Grenada.
I know
You
Vaughn.
understand?
Yeah, I know
Yes, from
Vaughn.
Grenada. And Fam and I been talking for a while about, working together, but just getting that right, song, and just not doing a song for doing a collab sake, but have something that when people hear it, they can feel that vibe. I like to do music that can surpass a carnival season, not necessarily talking about carnival, but after carnival done, you can still play that. Yeah. So this is what that song is about, your regular daily lingo conversation.
How are you doing?
Everything good?
When you hear the message behind the song sometimes, you didn't recognize it's so simple.
Yes, simple.
That's everything good enough?
I great. Everything nice.
What's wrong with you? It's like I have a new vision of the song now.
So that's where it came from.
So tell me something. I've been to St. Lucia a couple times, and I know green fig is big.
Yeah, that's part of our national dish. That's our national dish.
How big is breadfruit?
It is.
Breadfruit as well?
Yeah, people is roasted, people is do all kind of thing.
Right. So
on a holiday, we roast that on some stones.
Breadfruit?
Yeah.
Nice. I didn't get good green fig.
No dignity.
But I get good breadfruit. So I say breadfruit is the closest thing to green fig.
Next time I come back, I'll bring them thing for you.
And they call it green gold in St. Lucia, that's it? Green banana.
It's green banana, green fig. Green figs, they have it, yeah.
Nice. I roasted the breadfruit.
Okay, that looking nice.
And I roasted the breadfruit. And what basically we kind of doing is doing a breadfruit and saltfish salsa. So I added some saltfish. So all we did, guys, simply, so we added the ingredients. We boiled some saltfish and stripped it.
Hey.
Yes, we stripped. I'll tell you why I tell to laugh at the stripping of the saltfish just now. He in stripped mode right now. You're gonna keep him close, but he in stripped mode right now. We stripped the saltfish and mixed in some other lovely ingredients, some tomatoes, some corn. We also have some onions that we got in there, and I just have some shadow benny that I'm adding in here, and it's really a breadfruit and green fig, breadfruit and saltfish salsa. And really just putting ingredients in here that you're almost like a chow.
Black pepper.
A little black pepper.
Okay, nice.
And you don't mind a little heat?
Yeah,
not too much?
Not too much, but yeah, you can throw it in there. Yeah, the man up.
Get the man up.
Have to man up, baby.
Get the man up.
But looking good.
So you wouldn't believe. I want to add one more thing. I want to add some fresh garlic.
Okay.
And as I said, I do chop garlic, Teddy. I invested in this piece of machinery
And it works
called
really.
a garlic press. Yeah. So anytime I'm in the kitchen, it's my best friend because I love garlic.
Yes, yes.
And all I do,
You lie. I
yeah,
organize one.
just so. All right, it's now being
Nice.
distributed by Cup of Joe anytime you want a garlic
My
press.
goodness.
So you mix in your fresh garlic,
Nice.
all wonderful fresh ingredients in there,
Yeah.
and just like that you have a salsa, you know.
Wow.
Teddy, one more thing that I want to add in this is a little lime juice.
Lime juice.
Just a little lime juice.
My goodness.
Toss. Fresh ingredients.
So like no oil, no nothing.
No, nothing at all. And it's a very simple saltfish and breadfruit salsa that you can
Salsa.
get on our website, cupofjoecaribbean.com. This I am not going to serve you because I need to put this away in the refrigerator. Allow it to sit. I would like it to sit for a few hours. Overnight,
Okay.
better.
Yeah.
When it sits, the breadfruit start to talk to the saltfish. They start to get to know each other.
Now have a
You know, you
conversation.
say everything good, bro?
Everything good.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
tomatoes say, hey!
We there.
And you know, and everybody kind of
Yeah,
meet each other in there.
yeah.
And by the time overnight, everybody get familiarized with each other.
Okay.
You get this. This was kusuming for you.
Wow.
Yeah. So how it's served, guys, is basically with your favorite chip
Yeah.
or some slices of bread, toasted bread.
My goodness.
And you kind of just, we had some nice little chip cups that we found. And we said this is perfect for the island man from St Lucia.
Beautiful. Try one.
Try one,
Yeah,
those
hold
stick.
on a
Let me
second.
try one with you. Don't let me eat alone.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.
Everything good?
It's good over here. Wow.
Let's have another one.
It's real nice.
So when it's nice,
Do it twice. I'm gonna try this when I go back home.
breadfruit is the show.
It's bad. Wow. I learned something today. Salsa, breadfruit and saltfish. Salsa. Alright, I'm good.
Teddy, I've never seen you done hardcore wine and jam. I've never seen you done that. Is that something that you stay away from specifically? Is that not your style?
It's not my style. And to each his own. You have a lot of people doing that
Yeah.
already. So when people go right, sometimes I like to go left and stay in that zone. But I've just never been that person. My music don't really call, for that kind of vibe. Wine and jam, bring somebody on stage.
Yeah.
That's
just not you.
yeah.
That's not your personality.
It's not really me.
Yeah. Somehow though, in the middle of all the hype and the bacchanal and a fete,
Yeah.
you would come on
Yeah.
and the same people who was just wine and jamming just started. How you do that? I don't always get confused.
I think
I was just
Yeah,
jamming,
yeah,
and then all of a sudden Teddyson come on around.
I think that I like to do music that can surpass a carnival season.
Yeah.
And I just think there are different dimensions of soca.
You connect.
Music.
I saying you connect.
Yeah,
with
well,
people.
where I come from, for me, where I was raised, I was raised on in gospel music, R&B music, jazz, I used to work in the hospitality industry in the hotels before, entertainment manager from, a playmaker to Sandals, Les Sport, I did the cruise ship circuits, all these things. So we're part of like Caribbean band there. So I did these type of shows,
It now
cabaret
makes
shows.
sense.
Yeah.
All your talents that really come together on the
Yes,
stage.
in
Yeah,
that. So
yeah.
for me, a lot of people, when they just got to know me, they know where I thought I came from. So all these different experiences helped me form the person that I am today, and with the music that I
And the artist that you
and
are.
yes,
And the
what I
artist
do.
that you are.
So I am not the one that will scream and shout. Sometimes people just want to have conversation with you. You get the same effect,
Yeah.
you know, when you just have a conversation and you talk.